Hello, we are Team Sky, and our research topic is Korean license plate recognition based on few-shot learning. Our supervising professor is Professor Choi Jong-hyun from the Yonsei Vision and Learning Lab. The team members are Lin Yihan, Zhang Xiaoshu, and myself, Kishan Ravi. To briefly explain the premise of our research, we use traditional license plate detection algorithms combined with few-shot learning models to perform the task of license plate character recognition. License plate recognition is an important application in the field of computer vision. However, traditional machine learning methods tend to require a large amount of labeled data. Therefore, the following issues may arise. For one, data collection can be restricted by various factors. Large-scale datasets can also be challenging to work with, especially when computational resources are limited. Furthermore, the required data for some application scenarios are very specific to the region or domain. In such cases, few-shot learning becomes necessary. In our project, we were not able to find a suitable dataset. Therefore, we decided to use data augmentation to resolve this. Hence, our research differs from traditional machine learning techniques by training the few-shot model on a very limited number of images. Our methodology can be split into four main parts: license plate detection, character segmentation, data augmentation, and character recognition. We performed license plate detection and character segmentation using techniques that are commonly used in the field. Next is data augmentation. Data augmentation is a technique used to increase the diversity of a dataset by applying random but realistic transformations. The augmented dataset can provide additional variations and improve the model's ability to handle different scenarios. This is called generalization. In this step, we generated 100 randomly augmented images for each original image. We then used this dataset to train our model. We used the ResNet-18 network as a backbone for our few-shot model. The ResNet-18 network is a specific convolutional neural network, or CNN. In small sample character recognition tasks, the ResNet-18 network can serve as a powerful feature extractor. These features can then be passed to subsequent classifiers for character classification. Building upon this, we employ a prototypical network with the ResNet-18 as a backbone. The prototype network is one of many different models in few-shot learning. It can learn prototypes of each character class and classify samples. The main idea of prototypical networks is to learn a metric space where examples from the same class are closer to each other than to examples from different classes. Putting all this together, we imported our model into our practical application and observed the results. Our model achieved an accuracy of 97.9% on our own test set and 98% on the Omniglot dataset. We also evaluated the performance of traditional methods using the same training data as our model. The SVM only achieved an accuracy of 62.8%, while the CRNN achieved an accuracy of 82.5%. The SRN achieved the highest accuracy among the traditional methods, scoring 93.2%. However, it is still lower than the accuracy of our model. Since our research focuses more on the practical applications of few-shot learning, we did not extensively test additional network architectures. As for the performance of our model on practical cases, we tested the model on 20 different license plate images. The model was able to correctly recognize 14 of those. Although the results were less than ideal, we still consider the training of our model to be successful. By analyzing the cases where the model failed, we were able to draw a few conclusions. For starters, the quality of the input images plays a crucial role in the recognition. Since the process of license plate recognition is heavily influenced by external factors, recognition errors can occur if the input image is not clear enough. Also, in practical tasks requiring precise text recognition, few-shot learning has certain limitations. Even though few-shot learning models tend to have better generalization, its generalization ability may not be as reliable. Thus, it requires the implementation of additional techniques to improve its generalization ability. In summary, while we consider the training of our model successful, there are still challenges to overcome in practical applications. To enhance the model's robustness, technological advancements and extensive experimentation are still necessary. With this, we finally conclude our research. Thank you so much for listening.